Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce, and this is my garage. Have you heard about Koch Chemie's new product, Alkali Wheel Cleaner? Have you tried it yet? Well, come on into my garage and watch me try this on some wheels, the barrels of the wheels that have not been cleaned ever. It's 100,000 miles on them, 8 years, and the wheels have never been cleaned. We're going to see how well Alkali Wheel Cleaner does. So come on in the garage and let's have some fun. A sprayer here. I am just going to give this a nice wet down. By the way, I love this 360 IK sprayer. Great because you can spray upside down without an issue. All right, I don't know how much you can see here, but it's actually done, I would say, a pretty good job with minimal scrubbing. In fact, I would say that it's done better than everything else I've tried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use Alkali Wheel Cleaner again, but I'm gonna just focus in these inner spokes here of the wheel, and I'm gonna let that dwell. But overall, I would tell you right now, this stuff is doing much better than everything else I've tried. All right, I've done some scrubbing after it dwelled for a bit again, and we're gonna rinse, see what it looks like. All right, I hope you can see this is done pretty darn good. I mean, there's still a fair amount of dirt in the bottom of these spokes. All right, these wheels look 100 times better with, I would say, minimal scrubbing. I've done some scrubbing, but when I compare it to what I did previously on my other wheels, it took, as I said, a long time, 30 plus minutes of scrubbing. I've probably done 10 minutes of scrubbing. There's still dirt in here, don't get me wrong. There's some caked in stuff that I could scrub longer and get it out, but for about 10 minutes of scrubbing, Alkali Wheel Cleaner just did a superb job on these barrels. I'm gonna take a look at the face of the wheels and give those a shot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the face of the wheel and the tire. Just gonna use a little lamb's wool mitt to agitate a bit here on the face of the wheel. Again, with Alkali Wheel Cleaner, you can actually dilute it stronger than what I did. So the fact that it's worked so well at a 1 to 10, I think, is a testament to the product and its cleaning power. Wow, I gotta say it again, it cleaned better than anything I've ever used. These areas in the lug nuts here, where the lug nuts go, was caked on dirt, and I had to scrub that previously, and to see, it's like there's nothing there. Completely clean. Amazing. I'm gonna tell you, one of the hidden dangers of using Alkali Wheel Cleaner is your wheels are gonna be so clean, you're going to notice every little rock scratch or ding in there, the chips from rocks hitting it.